Tired of endless paperwork when applying for a loan? We're about to show you how to breeze through the process by securely linking your bank account with Plaid. First, begin your loan application. You will be directed to a page that asks you to securely connect your bank account. Look for a button labeled Connect with Plaid or something similar. Click on it. You'll now see the Plaid Interface. This is a secure third-party service that allows you to connect your bank account safely. You'll see a list of popular banks displayed. Find your bank from the list. You can scroll or use the search bar to quickly locate it. Once you've found it, click on your bank's logo. You will be redirected to your bank's secure login page. Within the Plaid Interface, enter your online banking username and password. You may be prompted to enter a multi-factor authentication code sent to your phone or email. Follow the instructions on your screen to verify your identity. This is an important security step to protect your account. Once you've logged in and verified your identity, you will see a list of your bank accounts. Select the account you wish to link to the loan application. Review the information and confirm your selection. Plaid will securely transmit your necessary financial information to the loan provider. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully linked. That's it. Plaid securely sends your information, fulfilling parts of the application and saving you tons of time. Now, you can continue with the rest of the application process. By using Plaid, you've not only sped up the loan application, but also ensured your financial data is transmitted securely. Good luck with your loan application.